Hi everybody, so I am showing you some of my cat collars. This is one of my cat collars my friend gave me. Um, it's Martha Stewart. It was a dog collar, but I made it into a cat collar. This is a cat collar that I got, and it's for Christmas. And this is another cat collar, and I need to wash it. This is another cat collar. I put some bling on it. These are just regular collars that I put in. That was a leash, and I made them. This is a cat collar for my cat. So I'm just gonna put my collars in here. This is another cat collar, and I'm just gonna wash these too. And these are some of the flower collars that I have. Flowers. So I'm gonna put these in here. These are some of them. These are some of them. I'm gonna show you this one. This is a carnation that I made for my cats. This is just a flower for my cats again. This is another one. 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 This is a small one. There's this one. There's this one. And these are some small ones. This is a little tiny one. And this is a little bow. And this is another little tiny one. And there's this one. There's this little tiny one. Which there's this one. And this one is a tiny one. So I'm putting my tiny ones all together. And there's this one. Now these, some of them have elastics on the back, but yeah. So there's this one. And there's this one. And this one. This one. It's got fuzz on one side. And there's this one, which is tiny. Because my cats are tiny. And there's this one. And 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 this collar I just showed you, I'm putting it back. And I need to wash these two. These two collars I'm going to wash. I don't need to wash that one actually. Till next time, bye for now.